Hi all, welcome to my channel. This is Kavita, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Vellalar College of Education. So today we are going to see an unit in knowledge on curriculum, chapter 1, Epistemological Basis of Education. So in this chapter we are going to see a detailed view about the relationship between acquisition of knowledge and the knowledge thus acquired. So we all know that knowledge is acquired through experience or education, and the standard definition of knowledge is justified through belief, which is said by Plato. And there are several types of knowledge. The first type of knowledge is superior knowledge. It means that knowledge which exists before and it needs an deductive reasoning to explain itself, and it is idealism and it does not require any empirical evidences to prove. The second type of knowledge is a posterior knowledge. So it is from the later and it needs some inductive reasonings to prove itself, and it requires empirical evidences and it is based on scientific methods and facts only, and it is naturalism and pragmatism. The third type of knowledge is explicit knowledge. It means that it is very similar to the first type of knowledge, appropriate knowledge. It is in an informal way and it is recorded and communicated clearly, and that can be obtained through libraries and databases. And the fourth type of knowledge is tactic knowledge. It can be expressed through our facial expressions, our body movements and gestures, etc. And it is opposite to explicit knowledge, and it could be communicated through consistent and extensive relationships or contact over a long period of time. The fifth type is propositional knowledge. So it is also known as descriptive or declarative knowledge, and it states something is true and not about how to do something. For example, we can take the computer programming, cooking or driving, etc. And the nature of explicit knowledge exists here. The sixth type of knowledge is non-propositional knowledge, and it is exactly opposite to the propositional knowledge, and it is procedural knowledge, which gives the rules and guidelines in a sequence. For example, roads and traffic rules or organizing some festivals or decision making in government offices, etc. So the important terms in education are knowledge, teaching skills, training, information, reasoning and belief. So let's see one by one in detail. The first thing is knowledge, the familiarity or the awareness or understanding of something or about someone, such as facts, informations, descriptions or skills which is acquired through experience, etc. And the education by preserving, discovering and learning. Second comes teaching. So it is a profession of a group called teachers. So these teachers helps an individual to acquire knowledge, skills, attitudes and values for their lifetime. So the third comes skills. So to a betterment of our life, skills are really important. So these skills are developed through training and experience in a sequential way. So to develop those skills, our sensory inputs and outputs are really important. For example, speaking, writing, drawing and painting, etc. So through this teaching skills, it involves four stages. The first one is observing, second one is imitating, third one is practicing, fourth one is adopting the changes required. The next comes training. It is an higher level of teaching, then conducting. So it shapes the students conduct and develop their skills. For example, computer operating or functions of Xerox machines, etc. And information means it is something giving some meaning by the way of relations or connections. For example, ATM, filling the blank forms, etc. And the purpose of arranging the names in sequential order, it gives the meaning of purpose. Next thing is reasoning. So getting and certain definite conclusions and interferences, reorganizing the combining and experiencing an ideas in new ways using rules of logic, etc. For example, problem solving method. So there are two types of reasonings. The one is inductive reasoning and another one is deductive reasoning. So next comes beliefs. So beliefs means it is something, acceptance of something as true as even in the absence of proofs. In the absence of evidences, beliefs are taken to be true. For example, the God beliefs, okay, what we do every day. Okay, I hope you all understood my topic. Thank you.